If Palestinian people understand that peace solution needs any kind of compromise from both sides.
They've been involved in this for almost now more than 15 years. That people wanted the peace process to continue, and they put pressure on the leadership to continue that. But unfortunately, we did not gain that much out of the peace process till now. So people start to wonder.
Just the Israel side of this process?
Well,
you blame only Israel?
We blame the majority for the Israelis for a very simple reason. Yeah, because you are the occupier. It's not us. It's what you're doing. You are affecting our life, our daily life. And what we want through the peace process to see the improvement on that process, on our life, on our movement, in our economy, and more towards our sovereignty about our state. Because it means our freedom, like any other nation. It's not enough to improve our economy under occupation without any freedom. Our dignity and freedom equal security. It's very important for any nation to have their freedom and to have their dignity. To me, this is the real peace. This is where you have a real peace.